How to update Ring app to its latest version. So first, go ahead and open the Play Store on your phone. In the Play Store, you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the search button, which is located on the bottom right corner. From here, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and type in Ring. Then tap on the Ring app, and here, if you don't have the latest version, you'll see update instead of open. But because I have the latest version downloaded, I'll see the open button. And this is how you can update your Ring app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.